This could be really fun. I have a ton of pro tips. Let's talk about shortcuts. Panning around, finding images. If you hold down the H key, you can zoom out. So H is for, I would say, helicopter or hover. It's like a helicopter view. Allows you to bounce back out and then go to a different part within your design. But you can start working, hold the H key again, bounce back out, zoom over there. Here's another thing, by the way, as we're navigating, just like we were doing over here, it's like, well, we see that this is now a yellow flower, but where the heck is it? Where is it in here, in this mess of things? Well, you can hold on the Option key, Option click on the thumbnail, and it'll jump right to that, the contents of that layer within your current document view. So that's all I'm doing is Option clicking, and I'm able to bounce around. I'm able to find, what did I just see? A cool Casio watch? That's another thing we might want to do. It's like, okay, we're here. I want to see where this is. I have the Move tool selected. You might have Auto Select turned on. I usually turn that off, but it doesn't matter. Either way, you can toggle that by using the Command key. So the Command key allows you to select things on the canvas. So that in this case, we're doing the reverse of that. It's like I want to find out where this is in my layer stack. Command click. Oh, there it is. It jumps right to that layer. Command click. You see my layers changing and bouncing around and stuff like that. I did just recently learn about holding down Command and the space bar, and that will allow you to zoom in and out as well. So that's a quick zoom in and out by holding down the Command and the space bar. What I don't like is that's also the same shortcut for my Mac desktop search, Spotlight search, which is probably why I don't use that shortcut. I just do Command plus and minus and 0. This is my long list of just shortcuts that you should know. And I forget them sometimes too, and it's okay. But Command J, to jump or duplicate a layer. Command Shift Alt E to merge a copy of all the layers. F to cycle through workspace backgrounds. You guys should know that. So it's like, again, we want to duplicate a layer. Command J, moving that object. Hit F a couple times. We get this full-on view. Everybody can see it, right? Things like that. Oh, did I just do something else that I didn't know about? I think I just learned something here. Option right arrow duplicates a layer. I usually use Command J. Most people use Command J. Oh, by the way, here's another way to find things. You can hold down the Option key and click on the eyeball. So Option click, that'll hide everything else and then just show that one object. Boom, and we're back. But I'm like, oh, I kind of want to move this phone down in the layer stack. This whole stack of layers, I want to move it down or up. That's going to be Command open and close brackets. So that's how you can move it up and down. Shift Command open bracket, close bracket will move it to the very top of that layer stack and to the very bottom as well. Anytime before I shrink something down, I turn it into a smart object so I can retain all those pixels. So I have set up a shortcut for it. Control Option Command S. Boom. Just turn that into a smart object. My shortcuts are always all of the modifier keys. So Control Option Command, because I know not all 3 of those are taken up at once. And then I add a letter. So Control Option Command T for tile. Boom. We could tile every however many windows are open. And the one next to it, to consolidate, I just have hit R. So I'm able to jump around, go to a different file, convert to smart object. So we can go into keyboard shortcuts. Like I said, scroll down. Puppet Warp is actually the one I want to add a shortcut to. Boom. I'm going to go into Edit. We're going to go down to that Puppet Warp, and I can give it a color in here. So if I want it to stand out a lot, I can change that to say red. Okay. I never use perspective warp. So if I don't even want to show that, I can just turn that off, right? I don't even need free transform. I use a shortcut key all the time. I don't even need free transform. So again, turn those things off, change the colors, make it easy for you. As I turn a couple of these things red, we'll click OK. And sure enough, as we go right up here, puppet warp and content aware scale is grayed out because I'm not able to use it right now. But there's puppet warp highlighted. It's like, oh, I always know where it is. But check this out. You know how I got rid of free transform? Well, guess what? Right down here at the bottom, show all menu items. So whatever you hide, bingo, it's back. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.